Hi, and welcome to Music History 4. This is where we're going to explore the Romantic era all the way through the 20th century or the Contemporary era, as we're now in the 21st century. So this class is going to be a little bit different than any class we've done before. This class will operate somewhat in the hybrid format, and so there's going to be a lot of things that we're going to be doing utilizing technology, things like WordPress and Twitter, and just external links to other websites and uploading of articles and things like that. So there's going to be a lot of responsibility placed on you as far as reading the content, digesting the content, and actually using that to prepare for our Wednesday class and our Friday class. So the structure of the course, Monday, we're not going to have class physically. We're not going to actually sit in a classroom, and you guys are not going to have to hear me lecture for 50 minutes about the given subject. What I'd like for you guys to do on Monday is I'd like for you guys to actually read the content of the blog. I'd actually like for you to watch the videos that I have, the external links, the links to YouTube videos, and just all the other stuff that's there. I'd like for you to watch that and also to read the text and to prepare for our Wednesday class. Our Wednesday class is going to be our discussion class. This will actually be a time that we do meet physically. We will not necessarily meet in our classroom. We can meet in a variety of settings around the campus, which we'll talk about in our first class meeting. And then Friday is going to be our listening day. We're actually going to designate a full day to listening to music examples and exploring musical scores so that we can get a little more in depth with that aspect of the course. And so the course is really going to be laid out that you guys don't have to go to class on Monday at 11 o'clock. You can go to class at midnight if you want to do so. But the content of the blog will be updated weekly so that you'll be able to have that content available Monday by 11 o'clock if you choose to kind of go to class at that time. So you'll have the content available. You'll have 2 days to kind of prep for the discussion. And as part of that, in order to sort of build in a little bit of insurance that you guys are participating in the online reading and watching of videos and all that other good stuff, this semester we're going to forego quiz grades. And so we will not have our weekly quiz. However, for your quiz grade, I'm actually going to sort of track the content views of the blog to make sure that you guys are keeping up with this. And not only will I be able to see that through WordPress, through the actual tracking of who's viewed the site at what times, I'll actually be able to know this on Wednesday during our discussion time. So I really want you guys to take ownership of this material. I really want you guys to kind of embrace this new format. Due to our class size of being 8 students, it's going to give me the opportunity to kind of test this format to see if it's something viable, to see if it's something that does help in your understanding and knowledge of the course. So hopefully this will be a great adventure. Hopefully it'll be a great way of delivering content and a great way for you guys to explore the subject in depth and to really wrap your brains around what's going on in this whole, this really a lot of musical change. And a lot of interesting things happening. So, but we'll talk about some of these things in our first class meeting on Wednesday. You might be viewing this after that, which is fine. So I just wanted to make sure that this was uploading the video and everything was working well. So anyway, this will be our first introductory week to the course. Thanks.